What if the most important combat aircraft in a battle had no pilot? For decades, the pinnacle of air power was defined by the skill of a human in the cockpit. But that era is ending. The skies are seeing the most dramatic shift since the dawn of the jet age, and it's not coming from one of the usual superpowers. For the first time in decades, Australia has designed and built its own military combat aircraft. And it's a complete game changer. This isn't just another drone. This is the MQ-28 Ghost Bat, an uncrewed wingman powered by artificial intelligence that is poised to change the rules of air combat forever. To get why the Ghost Bat is so revolutionary, you first have to understand the crisis facing modern air forces. The 21st century battlefield is more lethal and technologically advanced than ever before. For a pilot, it's an environment of unbelievable risk. Fifth-generation fighters like the F-35 Lightning II are engineering marvels. They are stealthy, powerful, and packed with sensors that give their pilots superhuman awareness. But they are also astronomically expensive. Each jet costs a fortune, and training a single pilot to fly it costs millions more. Every time a pilot flies into a contested area, nations are putting an irreplaceable human life and a national treasure at risk. This creates a brutal dilemma for military planners. How do you project power and control the skies when the cost of losing a single aircraft and its pilot is almost too high to bear? How do you generate enough mass, enough planes in the air to overwhelm a sophisticated enemy when your fleet is made up of a small number of exquisite, high-cost jets? For a country like Australia, with a huge area to defend in the strategically critical Indo-Pacific, this problem is even more intense. The sheer scale of the region demands a new way of thinking, a new tool that can multiply the force of its existing fleet without breaking the bank or putting more pilots in danger. The answer wasn't to build a better fighter jet, but to build a better teammate. This is where the story takes an unexpected turn. When you think of cutting-edge combat aircraft, you probably think of the United States, Russia, or China. You probably don't think of Australia. For decades, the nation has relied on buying aircraft from its allies. But with the Ghost Bat program, Australia has dramatically re-entered the field as a leading innovator. In a partnership between the Royal Australian Air Force and Boeing Australia, the program that began as the Loyal Wingman project has grown into a national endeavor. Boeing is building a brand new 9,000 square meter production facility in Toowoomba, Queensland, the company's first final assembly plant of its kind outside North America. This facility is set to be a hub of advanced manufacturing, using carbon fiber composites and robotic assembly to build the future of air combat. The aircraft was officially named the MQ-28, a Ghost Bat, in 2022. The name is a nod to a native Australian bat known for hunting in packs, a perfect metaphor for how this aircraft is designed to operate. It is a symbol of Australian ingenuity and a clear signal that the nation is taking control of its own defense destiny. This is not just about building a drone. It is about the strategic rebirth of Australia's sovereign defense industry. So what exactly is the Ghost Bat? It is important to understand that this is not a drone in the way we usually think of them, a remotely piloted vehicle flown by a human in a ground station hundreds of miles away. The MQ-28 is an uncrewed system designed to be a semi-autonomous partner, a teammate that flies alongside and in support of crewed aircraft like the F-35, the FA-18 Super Hornet, and the E-7A Wedgetail airborne control aircraft. While it falls under the conceptual umbrella of what the U.S. Air Force calls a collaborative combat aircraft, or CCA, the Ghost Bat is best known as a loyal wingman. At 11.7 meters, or about 38 feet long, it is a substantial, jet-powered aircraft with fighter-like performance. Its stated range is over 2,000 nautical miles, or 3,700 kilometers, allowing it to accompany fighter jets on long-range missions across the vast Pacific. But the real magic of the Ghost Bat lies in three key areas: its brain, its modularity, and its purpose. First, the AI brain. The Ghost Bat is being developed to use advanced artificial intelligence that will allow it to perform complex tasks with a high degree of autonomy. While a human pilot remains in the loop for critical decisions, the goal is for the AI to handle many of the moment-to-moment demands of flight. This is designed to free up the pilot in the crewed parent aircraft to focus on the bigger tactical picture, acting as a mission commander for their own robotic squadron. Second is its game-changing modularity. One of the Ghost Bat's most revolutionary features is its modular nose cone. The entire front section of the aircraft can be reconfigured, allowing ground crews to swap out the payload. One mission might call for an advanced sensor package for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance. The next might require an electronic warfare payload, turning the Ghost Bat into a flying hacker designed to jam and disrupt enemy radar and communications. A third configuration could carry weapons for direct combat. This snap-on, snap-off approach gives commanders incredible flexibility, letting them tailor their force for the specific mission at hand. This all leads to the core concept, the loyal wingman. This is what truly changes the calculus of air combat. The Ghost Bat is designed to be attritable. That is, it can be risked in a way an F-35 aircraft with a pilot inside never could be. This fundamentally alters the risk equation. Imagine a combat scenario. A flight of two F-35 aircraft is approaching a heavily defended enemy coastline. In the old model, those two F-35 aircraft would rely solely on their own stealth and sensors. But now, each F-35 aircraft is teamed with two Ghost Bats. The Ghost Bats can fly out ahead. Their mission: to be the first to face the danger. They can use their sensors to scan for threats, pinpointing enemy air defenses without exposing the multi-million-dollar F-35 aircraft. They can act as decoys, intentionally drawing the enemy's attention and fire, lighting up enemy radar systems for the F-35 aircraft to target. By forcing the enemy to reveal themselves against a less expensive, uncrewed asset, the survivability of the priceless human pilot skyrockets, and they can act as weapons platforms. An F-35 aircraft is limited by how many missiles it can carry internally while maintaining its stealth. But a Ghost Bat can carry extra munitions, effectively serving as a flying missile magazine for its crewed lead. The F-35 pilot can detect a target and order one of their wingmen to engage it. This concept, known as manned-unmanned teaming, or MUMT, multiplies the combat power of each human pilot. Suddenly, a single pilot could command the firepower and sensor coverage of several aircraft. This is what strategists call affordable mass. You can't afford to field 1,000 F-35 aircraft, but you can afford to supplement your F-35 aircraft with the force of attritable wingmen. It creates a strategic problem that adversaries have never had to face before: a swarming, intelligent, and networked force that is willing to sacrifice its robotic elements to protect its human core. This isn't just theory. The Ghost Bat program is maturing at an incredible pace. It achieved its first flight in February 2021 and has since completed dozens of test flights. The program has demonstrated key capabilities that prove the concept is viable. It has successfully flown in formation with other aircraft and has been operated from different air bases, proving it can be deployed to unfamiliar environments. Testing has shown it can be controlled by a ground station or an airborne aircraft like the E-7A Wedgetail. Most significantly, the Ghost Bat is now operating on the world stage. In May 2026, it was reported that the drone had completed its first ever flights outside of Australia, operating from the U.S. Naval Base at Point Mugu in California. Then, in June and July 2026, the Ghost Bat made its stunning debut at Exercise Valiant Shield, a massive US-led multinational exercise in the Pacific. Images showed the MQ-28 flying in formation, with US Air Force F-15 EX fighters over the Philippine Sea, a powerful demonstration of human-machine teaming, and a clear signal of the aircraft's integration into Allied warfighting plans. The development of collaborative combat aircraft is happening faster than anyone predicted. The Ghost Bat is a leader in the field, but the U.S. Air Force, Navy, and other nations are all racing to develop their own loyal Wingman capabilities. What do you think the next major milestone for this technology will be? Let us know in the comments below. The strategic implications of the Ghost Bat are profound. For Australia, it represents a new level of defense sovereignty and a powerful new tool to help secure a free and open Indo-Pacific. But its impact is global. The United States Air Force and Navy have both watched the program with intense interest, seeing the MQ-28 as a mature platform that provides valuable lessons for their own, much larger collaborative aircraft programs. Allies are also taking notice. In early 2026, it was announced that German defense giant Rheinmetall was partnering with Boeing to offer the MQ-28 to the German military, citing it as a world-leading, proven CCA. Japan has also established a framework to collaborate on these types of activities. The production line in Toowoomba isn't just for Australia. It's poised to become an export hub for a new category of air power. The Ghost Bat's success signifies a fundamental shift in military aviation. The future of air superiority will not be decided by a single, all-powerful silver bullet aircraft. Instead, it will belong to the nation that can best integrate a network of systems, a team of human pilots and autonomous wingmen working in synergy. It's a move away from a focus on individual platforms and towards the power of the network. A little over a century ago, the sky became a battlefield. For generations, that battlefield was dominated by human courage and skill at the controls of ever faster and more lethal machines. Now, a new chapter is being written. The MQ-28 Ghost Bat is more than just an Australian success story. It is a tangible glimpse into the future of warfare. It's a future where the line between pilot and machine blurs, where artificial intelligence multiplies human capability, and where the bravest fighter in the sky might just be the one with no pilot at all. Australia's secret weapon is out, and air combat will never be the same.